If you really want to make money as a freelance designer or as a design agency, you have to master email marketing automation. Oftentimes we see a lot of tutorials about how to design websites, how to design this type of website, and so on and so on. But at the core of all the functionality of these websites is email marketing. In fact, emails are the heart of every website. If your website does not have any sort of email marketing automation, then that website is lifeless. It's just a website where you can just go on, read information, and that's it. It doesn't do much for you. A website needs to be able to do two main things: either generate leads or make you sales. Now, if you're pitching your services to anyone, any business owner or anyone that wants a website, chances are they are going to be taking a look at those two things, and they'll be very happy to pay if you give them sales or leads. Okay, so let's take a look at the type of websites we're talking about here. If you look at blogs, service-based business type websites, online course websites, events and appointments, sales funnels, real estate property websites, the core that really makes these websites function is email. Now, I want to give you a basic example of a website that requires email. Let's say you have a basic membership website where someone has to sign in. How do they reset their emails? Have you thought of that? It's email. How do they log in? It's email. All that authentication that is happening behind the scenes has to be set up on the website for it to function correctly. Now, there was a time where I was running a website. It was called Funnels to Income. This website gave me a lot of headache. It had thousands of subscribers, but because I hadn't mastered how emails are actually set up, the automation system, it really stressed me so much because every single day I would get 2, 3, or even 5 emails of people complaining that they can't log into the website. Now, can you imagine you're trying to create courses here, or you're trying to create content, and every single day you have to go in and fix these issues? I literally had to move from Funnels to Income to a brand new website called Div University because I was just sick and tired of the email system not working. So here's what I've done. I've created a course called Email Marketing Mastery. This course will teach you how to set up these systems for your websites. Now, the first system here is for a basic lead generation. This works for a restaurant or even a course creator or someone that wants to just generate leads. It starts off with an email opt-in. The system will give it a tag. Give the user a tag. It takes them to the thank you page. And behind the scenes, we're going to have an email automation system in sequences that go out at specific dates. Now, once you set it up once, you don't have to do anything. And this lead generation automation system is part of the course. The next automation system, and as you can see, these are real world examples of how to implement this automation system. Now, this is an e-commerce automation marketing system. You have product A, product B, product C. So we don't want to just create WooCommerce websites. No, we want to create websites where we can remarket our products, our services, our coupons at a later stage, automatically, without stressing. Now, beginner designers, website designers, they'll just create an e-commerce website and that's it. But I'm showing you a system here. Now, this system is so powerful because when someone purchases product A, they're going to get a tag. And once they get a tag, they're going to be set into an email automation system. And this email automation system can be set to promote other products as well as sending out coupon codes. And not only that, this whole system will also take care of the login and reset, which is the part which I mentioned that was very, very difficult for me to master, but I'm sharing all that information with you. Okay, here's another real world example. This is an e-learning website. So this website hosts courses on it. Course A, course B, course C. Same thing. You get a tag when they purchase. And guess what? If they say they want a refund, the system can automatically refund and make sure that that person that's got the refund is not or does not have access to that course anymore. And all this is automatic. Now, if you can do this for your own websites or even for your clients, trust me, you're going to be in the top designers of the best designers in the world today, because mastering this system means you're providing a system that works for all your customers. So as you can see, here's our course here, Email Marketing Automation Mastery. Okay, so this course has, in-depth lessons which will cover everything that you need to know. I mean, this is installing the pro versions, installing all the software that you need for this to work. It has all your modules, everything is all set up, ready for you to go. Now, what I've done, which is very, very important here, is I've also created a community specific for anyone that purchases the email marketing automation course. Why am I doing this? Because I know after going through the course, you're going to be asking me questions. Now, this is a dedicated community. So as soon as you purchase, you'll get automatic access to this community. And this is where you can ask me questions, and this can be ongoing, and I'll be providing you with a lot of support. Now, does that mean that with this course, everything just ends here? No, it doesn't just end here. With this course, I'm going to be updating it as other softwares come into the market and as new automation systems, come about. I will be updating this course at no extra cost. So once you purchase it today, that is the price and that's it. I will be updating this as time goes on if need be, and you don't have to pay anything extra. So how much is this course? Now, as you can imagine, this is the heart of every single website. This course is only going for $97. Only $97. And it doesn't have to work with Divi only. This can be used with any page builder. The concept here is the same. It can be used with any page builder. Now, I'm doing a special, and this special is a discount for all the members of Divi University. Okay, I'm going to supply you with a special coupon code. Once you use that coupon code, you'll get your discount, and pretty much you'll get this course at a discount. $97. The link to that will be in the video description below. And if you have anything else that you may want me to add to this course, you can always add it in the community, and we'll go ahead and update it as needed. Anyway, I thought I'll just talk to you about this. And it's very, very important also to mention that if you're a lifetime member of Divi University, this course is absolutely free. Okay, so this is absolutely free. You will get an automatic invite to this course. If you don't get the invite, drop me an email or send me a support ticket and I will add you to this list. But as I mentioned, if you're not a lifetime member, it is not free for you. It's $97. Or of course, if you're in the Divi community, I'll give you a discount code for that. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.